The spinner there, Amjad Khan, bowling to the high talented boy.
Yes, Hassani Sakhel facing a first ball. Oh, he has hit that, but protection there straight away. Some strategy game plan against him. Do you expect it?
He's a very fantastic batter.
Oh, it's going toward the fielder and it's 6.
Delivery was right in the slot, not giving any room to the batter. That was the previous hit. It was really absolutely a gorgeous one over the top of the fielder.
Slightly over pitched. Once again, Hassan has hit that. It's going out of the ground. His second 6. And he has just faced 4 deliveries.
What a shot. What a lovely shot was that one. I already told you, never gave him any width or any room. He loves receiving the width and room. Made a lot of the room for himself. Open his...
Amjad Khan bowling his last ball of the over. Oh, he has hit that once again. This time over long on. 3 sixes for Hassani Sakhel.
That was another outstanding shot. Again, the ball was right in his range. It was in a good length. Hassan made a lot of the room over the top of the fielder. He swatted this one bounce out of the boundary. So the first boundary from the bat of Hassan.
Yes, once again, short pitch length. That one over the point fielder. Look at that shot. He gave himself there. You can see the shuffle in the crease and over the point fielder for another boundary. His first boundary of the game.
So, Kaka, that was a very great delivery. Only a single is taken.
Yeah, much quicker from Zubaid Akbari. That's good bowling from him. Seeing Hassani Sakhel
down the trick and wanted to go for a big one, but didn't collect it very well. To the end, after 2 overs, it's 27 for no loss. Really a flying start from the bat of Hassani Sakhel.
It is going to be a very good contest between these youngsters. There you see a leading edge from Nurullah Ayubi. Very rare seeing Nurullah Ayubi.
Wild swing of the bat, and that was outside edge, and the ball went like a bullet over there to cross the ropes. So 4 more there to the total, and that was for a number of the 6s. He's really a kind of a player going for the big shots.
Oh, this time around, it's over extra cover. Nurullah Ayubi into the act now.
That was really a fantastic shot over the top of the fielder, got the advantage. Swing again, and this time that was really a powerful shot, and the ball crossed the ropes for another boundary there.
A fast young bowler. There you go once again. Hat-trick of the boundaries. Nurullah Ayubi, you beauty.
Making a lot of the room and smashed it over the top of the fielder. Mid-on and score a boundary. Fantastic batting performance. Making a room, played it over the top of the fielder. The ball is racing away down the ground for a boundary. Absolutely a marvelous shot from on the board for them.
Yeah, lovely shot. Clean striking from Hassani Sakhel. Down the wicket is always the safest shot. Hassani Sakhel facing Yamarab. Oh, he has played that up. It's going away towards the boundary. 4 more to Spingar Warriors. 4 more to Hassani Sakhel.
To the batter. Back of a land delivery, and he smashed it, attacking the wickets into the long off region. A couple of the bounces, the ball has crossed for the boundary.
Yes, it seems like Hassani Sakhel is Spingar Warriors. Oh, it was on his leg stump. It was on his pads. Easy pickings for Hassani Sakhel. 4 more to him.
Square leg region and scored a boundary. Look at that. I always say there was a West Indian flavor in that shot. It was really a fan.
To Hassani Sakhel. Oh, he has played that up. Ashley fielder is coming under it. Will it be taken? Will he be out? Yes, Hassani Sakhel is out. That's good bowling from Yamarab.
Yamarab has the last laugh, and he has taken the wicket of Hassani Sakhel in a style.
ډیپ میډ وکټ ته ځي او شارټ سکویر لیګ اخیستل کیږي خو د هماغه فیلډر پسار دغه بال له بونډۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره ورګزاروي بال نورالله ایوبي نن ښه لګیا دی
خراب بال ډېر صحیح استفاده شاته یې پیچ کړی و هغه هم بیک فوټ باندې راواغېست د میډ وکټ د پاسه یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره کټ شاټ کوشش بریالی دی بیټر خو دلته ډګر ساتونکی توانیږي چې کیچ ترلاسه کړي ډایرکټ د ډګر ساتونکي لاس ته ورځي او عرب ګل مومند پراتګ
بیخي ښه سټرایک ریټ سره نن ولوبېده نورالله ایوبي څوک چې د شارجه 19 کلنې لوبډلې غړی هم دی هغلته هم ډېر ښه کرکټ کوي تیر فصل کې هم د کرکټ کړی دا هغه څیرې دي ایوبي صاحب د دغه سیالیو چیرمن بولډ کړ دغلته عرب مومند د سمې شینواري بیلزونه په هوا کړل واو
د سمیع الله شینواري مهمه وکټه او ګوګلي تر سره کړي ټرن سره راځي دننه او ډیر ښکلی ډیر په زړه پورې ګوډ لین څلورم سټمپ او سوینګ هم کیږي کافي اندازه د ساقي
د لوبڅار له لوري له اونر باکس اینډ څخه د ساقي له لوري دغه بال په بهترین ډول لوبېدلی دی د پوینټ د ساتونکي سره په خوا کې او د ډیپ کور ساتونکي هڅه وکړه تر څو په ډیپ وایډ تړمین کې بال را ایسار کړي خو بیک فوټ باندې څومره بهترینه هڅه او ښه شاټ د
اپشلی پلیټ فیلډرز ته خو ریزلټ د تمیم په ګټه ځکه دی چې یوازې یوې منډې سره دغه توپ بدل شو تکرار کوو ګورو ګوډ لین تو خو په آف سټمپ باندې
د محمد اسحاق یوه ځانګړنه دا ده چې ډیر په سپیډ باندې تکیه نه کوي او په دې وکټ باندې اپیل او احسان دانش باید ګوته اوچته کړي بالې ځکه یو بل بهترینه بال ښه وایکټ ساتنه هم ورته ویلی شو ځکه دغه بالې ډېر ښه
او خصوصا آوټ سوینګ د دغه ځوان لوبغاړي تکرار کې ګورو سلوورو کټر تر سره که او معمولی سنیک سره بال د یوسف شاه لاسونو ته ورځي او اسحاق خوشحاله ښکاري دغه وکټ سره
And most welcome to my great partner, co-commentator. Oh, he throws the bait. And
he was unable to return back to the crease. Dramatic out for the first time having seen him. Look at that. A turn, great ball. Look at the batters going to the boundary. Coming few steps, 3 meters down the track there and misses the ball.
Argo moment to continues. Oh, not a good delivery! That is another good wicket. 2 balls, 2 wickets, Argo Moman. What are you doing?
Fighting with the brain. Look at that dismissal.
Look at that one. The very, very first time that a man is shining back like this in this season, KPL 2024. Argo Moman.
35, he lost his wicket either. Huge appeal this time, right into the block hole. Plumb in France, took his time, up gone the finger in a flash, and the batter lost his wicket.
A breakthrough for this man, Muhammad Ishaq Saki. Look at that last delivery, is coming in good line. Nice and fantastic. With a little of swing, straight to the page.
Side is appealing every ball. Everybody's participating in appeal. They want to make that appeal stronger. But umpire Ehsanullah Danish, he takes his time. He's thinking first.
Nice, but Rhino there in a big trouble. Back put, flatted outside edge. Quick full comes Paul Spingar Warriors after a long time. Oh, further moments plays that.
Got outside edge. Lucky boundary for the batter there. Wafadar Moman. A slogger there. He wants to slog. He has that potential. The Talenders have got that potential that they should go big. If they are going to play conservatively, they are going to lose their wicket without getting any runs. So try.
He have put the pressure completely, have got a wicket. Easily 4 runs between 2 fielders.
Let's hope and recognize better for the team. Zubair is looking and searching for his wicket. Look at that shot. Middling that well. No chance for the field.
څلور وکټې پاتې وي 11 رنزه پاتې وو फ्लिक सरल बाल बॉल की उनके मुहिब तपा डीप स्क्वायर लेग के चटक के मंडे कोशिश او पड़े रे तेज रसीगी
توپ اچونکی ډیر ښه لګیا دی خو دغلته یې یو څه کویک بال ګزار کړ او ډیپ سکویر لیګ او فاین لیګ کې
توپ ګورد یما عرب سلوور او لکس شاته بیک اف د لین ډیلیوري او دلته شپږ نوري من لپیل او وکټ بادر نیازه وای چې وفادار مومن بل ریسینګ روم ته ځي هغه څه چې پکار وته سره شو زبید اکبری عرب ګل مومند امجد خان سوکتو پاچون کې د کې کې یار او ډېر بهترین او ډېر زبردست تو پاچونه ول سوره پای ته رسیږي یو سل سلويغ دا ټول غاړو په زیان شارٹ لین کے بال غٹ شاٹ کوشش بریالے دے لانگ آن د پاسه غټش پکیزه څومره زبردست سټرایک ډیر ښه کنیکټ ډیر پس د پوره وشپګو منډلو لپاره بال بونډ لاین نه بهر گزار کړ شاته بالو ډیر ښه راواغسته د بیټ په منځ نه حصہ باندې اکبر علي یو ځلې خوست کې
سولی شي ځکه غښتلي شاټونه له ځانه سره لري سټریټ ټو د فیلډر او دغلته یو بل زیان د سپین غر واريرز لپاره څه ډول چې وړاندې مو ویل کله هم چې چټکو توپ اچوونکو د پیس پر ځای له سلو چینج آفیس توپونو استفاده کړې ډېره ښه نتیجه یې ترلاسه کړې ده
دغسې وکټو باندې که ځان ژغورې نو ویریشن سره به ځان ژغورې ځکه ډېر سپورټ نه کوي توپ اچوونکو ته 293 چې کېږي نو خپله فکر وکړه 200 کېږي 250 کېږي 253 کېږي رښتیا هم خصوصي سکتور
نورو لوبډلو هیلې هم تړلې وي نو د فقیري سټیل شاهین هانټرز
Now look at out come the two batters. Riaz, he is one of the clean strikers coming out to bat. The team KKR really need to win this game. And there would be some limited overs for them that they will have to cross the finish.
Here's the first ball of the run chase. Riaz Hassan. Nicely played under his eyes. A dot ball. Remember, Salarzi, dot balls are going to be crucial for KKR. They have to exploit the power play. UB, all calculations are done. Oh, he has played that uppishly. It's going away. It's running away towards the boundary. Couple of bounces. That's the start what they needed, the Kabul Knight Riders.
Short pitch delivery and bangs that one bounce to the boundary. Look at that ball. Pitching outside the off stump, picking up that nicely clean picking there. They've got no protection at mid wicket.
Oh, cheeky, it's running, it's going, in fact, it has gone for a maximum. What a shot, 360. A.B. de Villiers, more like him.
Got top of the bat there and the ball flies. The quicker he balls, the quicker it goes to the boundary. Look at that shot, wanted to go for a scoop one. Got the shoulder of the bat there and the ball flies to the boundary.
Yes, these runs are never going to help Shaheen Hunter's chances in this tournament. They will be concerned. They will be waiting for the decision, for the result of this game. This run chase, Wafadar once again to Azam straight to Samiullah Shimari, no runs. So after first over, it's a good start for them. Kabul Knight Riders are 12 for none.
Full toss, gift given and driven nicely. 4 more runs.
Easy pickings for Riaz Hassan. He is never going to miss on these gifts. It was a full toss on the leg stump. All he needed is just to place it down towards the boundary. Yeah, lovely timing from him.
Look at that ball, full toss, gift given, and he accepted the gift, beating the other man for a boundary. So there are a lot to be done. Got and beaten the man. The fielder straight away, there was a change in position. The ball runs down to the boundary. This is the second in the sewer.
Yes, bottom edge. 4 crucial runs. They won't mind how they are coming. But Riaz, his second boundary, there you can see bottom edge. There was no fielder behind the wicket for crucial.
Power play. Short pitch. Ain't connected it well for another one. 3 boundaries so far.
You cannot pitch that much of a short ball.
Well, mid-off is in long off position. Goes big this time. There is a fielder running after the ball. One bounce stops the boundary there. A bit expensive so far.
Striking at 12.50 runs per over. Wafadar to Riaz Hassan. Oh, he is easy catch. It was a slower one. First wicket down. It's the big fish. Riaz Hassan, he could not finish the line for his team. He's back to the dugout.
With experience, he was pitching the ball away from that and he was going for a drive there. Upishly.
Once again. Oh, it was a short pitch ball. He has played it over that extra cover fielder. It's running away towards the boundary. Yusuf Shah into the X straight away. Boundary of his second ball.
Everyone
Larzi.
sweeps that one hard and runs down to the boundary.
Yeah, good start for Zubaid Akbari. Boundary of his second ball. Look at some.
Last ball of the over, connected it well. Great shot. Couple of bounces to cross the boundary line. Sami is frustrated there. Still he's saying why you dropped the catch there.
Oh, nicely played shot. Upish. He had middle it nicely. 4 more to Yusuf Shah
Last 3 balls came bound.
by the umpire. Oh, wide this time, like we were mentioning. He has lost his line and length altogether. 5 runs gifted to. He's bowling to Zubaid Akbari. Oh, once again, it was a short pitch ball. Boy, Wafadar Maman, you cannot bowl there. Oh, pitched up, nicely driven. Even Samiullah Shinwari could not stop it. Brilliant batting from Zubaid Akbari. Wafadar Maman. The question for you, you can answer in Pashto.
ډېره مننه دا مهال خو خټک صاحب معلومیږي چې یو بله بونډي هم راځي دغلته د
لایټ ډیلیوري فول ټاس دی او نه توانېږي چې بال ترلاسه کړي. بال د لانګا باونډرۍ په طرف د څلورو نورو منډو لپاره. څومره په زړه پورې توپانه، څومره ښه توپانه د زبید او د بل پارټنر یوسف شاه ترمنځ. هڅه یې وکړه چې بال په خپلو لاسونو کې راولي، اما بریالی نه و.
د یوسف شاه خلاف دا ځوان توپونکی ډېر ښه لګیا دی. بیک فوټ باندې دا ځل د پوینټ او کور ترمنځ بهترین شاټ انتخاب.
باونډري پر لپسې ډول باندې بیا هم غټ شاټ کوشش او دا هم د باونډري لاین په طرف باندې اومه باونډري هم در واخله. 7 توپونو په تېرو 7 توپونو 7 څلوريزي، 3 پر وفادار، 4 پر سمیع الله شینواري.
ښه کې هم بیخي ښه دی. دا د 5مه بونډري د روانه ور واو وګورو چې 6 څلوریزې پوره کېدلی شي که نه.
KKR ډریسنګ روم د خوشحال نه ښکاري شینواري او ولې نه. دا توپ هم که وګورو سلاک ته ورغی بیټر، رسېدلی بال او ډېر ښه کنیکشن و د بال او بیټ ترمنځ. 4 نورې ریکوایر 5 ته راځي. 2 لږ سستوی تر سره او دلته کیچ آوټ. او سمیع الله شینواري انګري مین.
بیخي ښه بال و آف سټمپ کې لیګ بریک بال و پوینټ کې ښه کیچ د ښه کیچ هڅه وګورئ.
لایټ سره تر سره که په چینل کې لږ څه بهر ټرن کېږي او بیټر کوشش کوو چې د پوینټ او ګلي ترمنځ یې ولوبئ. لږه پچلي لاړ او ډګر ساتونکي هم ډېر ښه کیچ ترلاسه کړ. Good shot! Into the commentary box for maximum. Palwak, smart watch. غټه شپږیزه.
کویک بال، چټک بال او چټک ځواب. کله هم چې له بریک تیریږي او سپیډ کاروي، سپین توپ اچونکی باید
چې دغه فاصله په دغه لوبغالي کې صحیح لیدنه نه ده د سپین غر واریرز لپاره. ریور سویپ ته تللی و محمد ریاض. رسک نه دی پکار ځکه ریکوایر دومره غټ نه دی چې رسک اخلي او ورپای ته رسیږي. 6 اتیا 3 لوبغاړو په زیان.
توپ اچونې ته انتخاب شوی سټریټ مخامخ یو ځل بیا کمنټري باکس په نښه او زموږ په سر دغه بال له بونډۍ څخه بهر بلکې له ګراوند او لوبغالي هم بهر ورګزارېږي د بل چا نه د محمد ریاض له لوري
د بیټ په خوله کې بالو بیا هم لږ څه شاته پکارو مخکې وکړو ریاض هم ډېر ښه میډل کړ
د دغه فصل اتلولي ترلاسه کوي دوهم پړاو ته د تګ لپاره دغه دوه لوبډلې لوبیږي زبردسته ډرایف پلیسمنټ ښه ټایمینګ دا هغه هنرونه دي
A lot of right into the block hole this time. They are looking for two Zubaid Akbar. Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, misfield once again. Yeah, we have been
First
told by
ball.
the coaches to watch the ball, rather batters. Oh, drifting down towards the leg stump. One more added to the total.
25 deliveries to qualify in the next round.
The players of Canada, Ryan Pathan and Junaid Siddiqui, were part of Global Zilmi League as well. Oh,
Almost going
hold
to.
him.
I think he has bowled him, and definitely. So now he is going back to the pavilion there.
Here's the action replay. Look at that turn, a wrong one. It was a short pitch delivery, shorter length, but
Very great delivery, right on the spot, on the money. Wanted to play it, they are completely beaten, disturbing the bails and as well as the wicket. So that's a big one.
yes,
Continues bowling a perfect line length here. The ball is in there. The fielder is coming around. Is it going to be taken? Yes. The catch is taken. The second wicket is down.
is there any twist in the tail? Gul Haris, you never know.
The ball was smashed and it was in there. So a brilliant catch was taken there.
Yeah, bad luck for the batter. It was a poor delivery, much shorter the length. But Nurullah Ayubi taking a very comfortable catch. Yeah, good technique from Nurullah Ayubi. Another wicket has gone down for Kabul Knight Riders. Salam Kakar, they need only 7 runs now to qualify for the playoffs. Walid Stanakzai continuing.
Bowled him! That was really a perfect delivery. Cleaned him up. I heard the same. What a wicket. Absolutely spot on delivery.
Yeah, you miss, I hit. Cross-batted shot.
I think he is an iconic personality over here. A celebrity, that gentleman fame.
Zubaid Akbari. Oh, he has played that. Yeah, there it is. He has won the game for the Kabul Knight Riders. Congratulations to Kabul Knight Riders. They have qualified for the playoffs.
Out and finished the match in a style. Zubaid Akbari.
Yes, man of crisis, Zubaid Akbari. Let me ask you a question. Who should be the player of the match? Zubaid Akbari or Arab Mamand? Your thoughts?
Captured 4 wickets and I think he is one of the best candidates to win that man of the match award.